Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which Konami ID email is currently linked and logging into Efootball on your preferred device. Once done, open the new email inbox and keep any 2FA device nearby because you will need to verify ownership. Make sure to note any purchases or save data tied to the account. This prevents surprises later. You're preparing the essentials so the change proceeds smoothly and you can prove identity during the update. Next, access your Konami ID account settings from Konami. Net and select the email change option. This is the authoritative path for eFootball. Enter the new email address, then type your current password and complete any CAPTCHA or 2FA prompts. This prevents unauthorized changes. Once submitted, a verification link is sent to the new address. Click it immediately. Make sure you leave the account page open until verification completes. Finally, sign out of eFootball on all devices and sign back in using the updated Konami ID email so the game syncs the change. If the verification link doesn't arrive, resend it, inspect spam or promotion folders, and retry 2FA. If you can't change the email or are locked out, gather proof like purchase receipts and account screenshots. Then contact Konami support. One key tip: keep timestamps for sent emails and transactions handy to speed up any recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.